Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change default list in reminders on iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.5.1, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it's all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings, then you want to swipe down and search for reminders. So here they are, just tap on them. Then you want to go the default list. So the default list is reminders created outside of a specific list are placed in this list. So here you can change your reminders default list from the YouTube and macOS. I'm going to go for Twitter and macOS. You can also go through Safari or Siri. And after just selecting, and once you have a tick next to it setting, it means that this is selected. Just go back and this is it. So thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!